Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. So, my dear friends, finally, the NFP day has come, and today is a very important day for forex traders. Because if you go to economic calendar, you can see that today is full of events. So market will be extremely volatile. If you're a beginner, new trader, if you do not have much capital, you should stay away from the market. Just observe the market, gain some experience, but do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Okay, because market will give you plenty of opportunities. If you don't know the exact time, just go to the economic calendar like Forex Factor or any other economic calendar and just change the time zone. In my country, in India, the news will come out or market will get crazy by 7 p.m. Okay, so this is the time here. And you can see here gold heads for first weekly fall in 4 as rate cut hosts fade. Gold prices were on track for the first weekly fall in 4 on Friday as waning expectations of an early interest rate cut in the US boosted the dollar. While investors focus on a key employment report due later in the day for more rate clues. So if we look at the economic calendar, you can see that forecast, okay, or the expectation is 168k, and the previous that if you remember, then the previous number was around 199k. So if dollar really wants to fly high, if US dollar index or DXY, if it really wants to continue the upside, it will have to go beyond 200k. Okay, if it comes around 168, 170, then we just may see some spikes in the market and market may come down to the original level. So simply meeting the expectations will not do. If DXY really wants to go for a big recovery, then it will have to give a humongous result. It will have to cross 200k. Then only we will get to see a good amount of upside on DXY and there will be a fall on gold. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Nobody can predict the market. So this is the chart of DXY in front of us, and as we all know it very well that for the last couple of days DXY is trying to recover. Okay, DXY is a recovery board, but if we consider the overall trend of the market, then overall trend is still towards the downside. There is no doubt about it. Okay, it is trying to recover. Okay, it is trying to recover. So during the day, if DXY goes up also 103 or around 103, there will be some resistance, and I don't think so before NFP DXY will have the strength and potential to cross the level. After NFP, try to follow the trend of the market. So this is just a temporary upside, and if market wants to continue the upside, then it will have to cross 200k or something like that, a big impact. And in case market fails to meet the expectation, then obviously there will be pressure on the chart of DXY and we will get to see upside on the chart of gold, hopefully. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold here. So my dear friends, if you are looking for a swing or a positional trade, then this is not the ideal time to discuss, because you need to give time to the market to settle. Once the market will settle after the news, or once the fundamental will give a direction to the news, then you can take an entry. But right now market is waiting for the fundamentals, because fundamentals will provide direction to the market, not the technicals. Anyways, before I proceed, I would like to apologize. I could not bring video yesterday. Actually, I was about to bring a video. I was about to record, but suddenly my next door neighbor expired. He was around 76, but he was completely all right. Okay, there was no medical complications. Reports were fine, but suddenly he collapsed and he passed away. So he was busy. Okay. So if we look at the chart of gold here, then obviously there is a confusion, because if we look at the overall trend of the market, then we know it very well that gold have been bullish for the last couple of weeks. So overall the chart is still very much bullish, but most of us are day traders. Most of us do not hold a position on gold for a couple of days to couple of weeks. We prefer to go for quick entry and exit. We mostly target 40-50 pips. So as a result, we cannot focus on the overall trend of the market and take a trade. We need to focus on the present trend of the market. We need to respect the present trend of the market so that we do not get stuck. We are not trapped here. So in this particular condition, okay, in this particular condition, you need to see that right now gold is towards the downside. Okay, listen to me carefully. Right now gold is towards the downside, and at this particular moment right now gold is waiting for the news here. So as a result we don't have any trend, especially for Friday. While I'm recording the video on Asian session, we do not have any trend present on the market right now, and before NFP you can expect that there will not be any trend. After NFP, try to follow the trend of the market, but before NFP, try to stick to the levels only. If you have any ongoing position, you can be on the trade, no need to exit. But if you're looking for fresh position, then I'll say that you need to wait a little longer and try to stick to the levels and wait for the trades here. So my dear friends, during the day, in case, especially during the European session, if you see gold going down, then the best level to go for a buy position is around 2031 to 2030. Why? Because when the fall came, listen to me carefully, when the fall came, this was the level from where market tried to go up. So we have good number of buyers around this area. So during the day, I'm not saying that we have the strongest buyer here, but the buyers around this area will try to protect the level, and at least you can expect a bounce around 2031, 2030 if market falls before NFP. Okay, and before this level, you can also see that I have also drawn another line here, a dotted line here, 2036, 2036 or around 2036. Why 2036, 2037? Because see, volatility, yeah, volatility is very, very important. If the market is not very volatile, market is slow, then you can also expect the market to take support around this area. 2036 is a weak level, but if the market is very slow, very low volatile, you can look for a trade around this area. But in case you see market is going down with big red candles, then forget about 2036. Just keep your eyes on 2030, 2031. And how much you can target? You can target 40 pips or 50 pips, not more than that, because you need to understand the volatility as well. Okay, because if you have unrealistic expectations from the market, your TP will not get hit. And after NFP, try to follow the trend of the market, because the market will be volatile. Okay, and if you see market going up, then obviously the best levels on the market are far away. The best level or resistance to look for a sell position is around 2060, around 2060, because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. We can see market has been respecting FIBO, that's why we can expect the same again. 2060 we have, and moreover we also have the 200 moving average around 2060, 2061. But before 2060 we have 2055. Okay, which is FIBO 50% retracement level, and you can see the previous support will also be acting as resistance here, 2055, 2056, and here 2060, 2061. So these are the two levels where you can look for a sell position or quick sell position for 40 pips as a day trader if you see market is showing price rejection from above. But if the market is very slow, if the market is very low volatile, in that case you can also look for a sell around 2051 as well. You can see the dotted line here, but honestly I will not be looking for personally, I will not to take a sell around 2051, because 2051 is not good level or a reliable level to trade. But still, it's my duty to bring out the levels and explain you, so I'm just doing my duty here. But personally I will avoid. I'll look for a sell here, I'll look for a sell here, I'll look for a buy here, maybe I'll look for a buy here as well, but I will be avoiding a sell here. So it's your personal decision. If you are confident enough, if you have your strategy on point, and if you feel that you can look for a sell around 2051, 2050, you can go for it. Okay, but right now we don't have any trend present in the market, and usually before a big event like CPI, FOMC, NFP, we don't get a proper trend. So as a result, you can look for trades on both the sides of the market. But after NFP, when fundamentals will be dominating, try to avoid the levels and try to follow the trend of the market. And in case market doesn't come to the levels, then do not lose patience, because after all, patience is very, very important in the market and in trading. So as a result, okay, try to be patient, try to wait for the levels, because most of the trades, okay, my dear friends, if you look at the profit and loss statement of yours, you'll find Then in most of the bad trades, okay, bad trades, you took impulsive decisions, you took trades on middle of the chart, as a result you were trapped. Okay, and once you'll develop the habit of waiting for the right level, you'll see the most of the bad trades, okay, will be gone. So patience is very, very important. Okay, personally I suffer from this problem, but yes, after trading for more than 10 years, okay, I have come a long way, I'll say. I won't say that I have achieved it. Okay, that will be a big statement, but yes, I have come a long way. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Bye bye, take care. And if you want to follow me, okay, then the real Instagram account is in the description box. You can check. You can check out. You can follow me, but stay away from the scammers because they are they have made my life miserable. Okay, and I do not have any profile on Telegram, so stay away. Bye bye. Take care.